Welcome to Castle Country RV here in Helper, Utah. My name is Ryan Speck. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Rockwood Signature Ultralight 8329 SB. One of the most important things you want to think about when you're looking at a new travel trailer: what is my tow vehicle capable of towing, and what does this trailer weigh? We come in at a gross vehicle weight on this guy just over 11,100 pounds, and we've got a dry weight of 8,850 pounds. So that's allowing for a lot of cargo, but you want to make sure that your tow vehicle is rated to tow the gross vehicle weight rating of this trailer. So out here on the front cap, few things I like to point out. First, we do have the power tongue jack. This is actually a smart jack too, so you don't actually have to sit here and hold the button. You pop that twice and it'll run until you tell it to stop. A very, very nice tongue jack on this one. You've also got the 30-pound propane tanks on top here. You've got the nice plastic cover that's got a quick release here, so you can get in and change it over from one tank to the other or refill them. We do bring it in with the nice docking light on the front as well, which is great. Gives you a lot of light when you're hooking and unhooking, because we all know that's not always right in the middle of the day. Now, as we come around onto the campsite side here, I'd like to point out an addition that they made in the last year or so is this huge pass-through storage area here. It goes for all the way from this side to the other side, storage for all your goods, all your camp chairs and everything. Right below that, you do have the pre-wiring for the solar panel. If you wanted to get one of the suitcase solar panels, we do bring it in with the power jacks on it as well. So you have your front power jack is both the front stabilizers and the rear stabilizers are power as well. Nice power awning. This particular floor plan does come in with two power awnings, one on the slide out, one here on the main campsite side. And look up above here, you notice they have that nice metal wrap that'll automatically wrap and protect that fabric, because it's that one spot that always gets the pinholes because it's constantly exposed to the elements all the time. So that metal wrap helps to protect that. We do get that nice rail on the side here. That's for the griddle that comes along with it, as well as a prep table that it can hook on there. And if you want, there's even hookups for your TV out here. You got the mount for the TV, and then a hookup to the cable inside, as well as 110 power. As we continue to move along, I like to point out that we do bring it in with the nice frameless automotive style windows. And as the sticker here indicates, it does have a Wi-Fi ranger built into it that has the capabilities of becoming an LTE hotspot. If you wanted to do that, just work with your cell phone provider. We do also have some pretty good storage here on the outside. So you'll notice when we go inside that this is actually on the back side of where your entertainment center and fireplace are, but just great additional exterior storage on the 8329 SB. All right, let's go inside of this 8329 SB by Rockwood. I want to start out, since we're in a couples coach, let's head right to that master bedroom. Look at the size of this bedroom. One of the few travel trailers on the market right now that you can get that's actually got a king size bed. So you've got a really good size bed here. You've got lights up above. They've also got a really neat little kind of accent light here on the headboard as well. It does come with the nice linens and everything, so it all ties together with the colors of the wall boards and the wood. Another thing I like to point out, you got a ton of storage here below the bed. And again, aluminum framing. So you have 100% aluminum framing on the outside. You've got your roof trusses are aluminum, but you come in and even under your dinettes, your beds, everything is framed out in aluminum. That's what helps keep it light and helps it stay have longevity because of the way Rockwood builds them. You do have two huge storage drawers that come out from under the bed. There is storage on the back side as well, and there is a door on the outside so you can access all of that. Right across from the bed, you've got a huge bank of drawers here. So you've got 6 drawers across here, plenty for his and hers. We all know how this works. These are hers, this is his. That's the way it goes. And then right above, you've got a huge wardrobe closet. I really like the way they do this up above too for your hanging rod. It's individual hooks, so your clothes aren't kind of sloshing from one side to the other. And then this is really neat. They just added this little area on the front here in order to give you that pass-through storage on the outside. Then you've also got a nice little kind of reading nook right across from the TV. You've got some good storage here as well. So not only do you have, again, hers, and his, but then his is right here for the hanging clothes for him as well. So a really awesome bedroom, and you even have some storage up above the bed. And each one of these lights even has its own individual button on it, so you could turn it on or off if you'd like. Now this particular one we did bring in with just a single air conditioner, but it is wired for a second. If you wanted to, you'd slap that in right here. We don't bring it in with that AC. It's got the max air fan on it now, so it still exhausts over 900 cubic feet of air a minute, but simple if you wanted to add another air conditioner dedicated to the bedroom. All right, let's check out the bathroom here on the 8329 SB. Really good sized restroom area here. You've got the medicine cabinet on the wall, not just a mirror hanging there. Down below that, you have the nice stainless steel sink here in the bathroom, set up for like your rinse cup as well as your toothbrushes. You do have some storage down below the sink as well, little area for your sponge. It does have the porcelain stool in it, not just a plastic stool. A really good linen closet here. And then this one here is actually just for access if you needed to get into the water pump or the hot water heater. It still looks nice and pretty with the cabinet door on it, but you simply pop this hinge off and it makes it a lot easier to get in there. We do bring it in with the nice glass enclosure on the shower too. Really neat here because it does magnet together. And this one does have the really neat feature of the shower miser. So essentially what this is a on-demand hot water system. It will divert the hot water, or the water I should say, back down to the tank until this blue pipe becomes clear. You know, hey, I've got hot water. You flip this little valve and it's gonna let the hot water come out. So you're stretching out your gray and your fresh tank. And we also bring it in with another one of those max air fans here in the bathroom. So again, another 925 cubic feet of air a minute can be exhausted out of the restroom area. Now coming out of the bedroom and bathroom area on the 8329 SB, you'll come into a really, really great living room area. So you've got the opposing slide outs here, which really make for a huge living room area. You do have the island here in the kitchen with a couple of bar stools that bud right up to it. I like the fact in this particular model, they don't put your sink on the island. Gives you a little bit more of a buffet counter. And then it gives you really, really good storage down below the island as well. Then if you look over here, this is where they've located the sink. But the nice thing here, still have prep space on each side of the sink. You have that charging center here with 12 volt as well as 110 outlets. Then you've got the really big double basin stainless steel sink with the nice solid surface covers. So a huge sink for washing your dishes, nice high-rise faucet on it as well. So just a great area here. You've got some good storage up above. Probably one of the most awesome things in this particular unit too is all of the storage space that you've got above your sink area, below the island here. And then as we rotate around, I'll even point out, you've got a good amount of storage over here by your cooktop. You've got the big pot and pan drawer down below. It is full extension. You have the 24-inch oven. You've got the 3-burner cooktop with the glass cover and a built-in knife rack across the back. You do have the hood that actually vents out. It doesn't just circulate that air inside. Nice Magic Chef microwave up above. It is 1.3 cubic feet, so it'll actually fit a regular 11-inch dinner plate. We do have the nice gas electric refrigerator here. And because we're in the Signature Ultralight, you actually get a 9 cubic foot instead of the traditional 8 cubic foot, because what Rockwood did in their Signature floor plans is they actually raised the walls by about 4 inches just a couple years ago to give you that larger fridge, to give you that higher top to your slide outs. Again, that storage though does continue. This is open all the way across, which is really nice. Some of your larger items to go up here, some of your paper plates and stuff for going outside. I do also want to point out we've got, not only do we have the really nice blackout shades, but behind each one of those, we'll have the privacy shades. So you get the dual shades on every one of the windows here in the Rockwood Signature Ultralights. This particular unit we did bring in with the trifold couch. So if you ever do have some guests over, you can actually make this out into another bed. It also can kind of be used as a chase lounge. And the way they've got this set up, whether you're here or you're over here in the awesome Lazy Boys, actual Lazy Boy rocker swivel recliners, you've got a good angle at your entertainment center, no matter what seat you are at in the house, whether you're sitting at the bar stools up by the island or you're on the couch or the rocker swivel recliners here. Even your nice freestanding dinette in the opposing slide out has got great viewage for 2 of the 4 people at the dinette. One of my favorite things too, you've got a huge window right here facing out to your campsite side. So if you got the grandkids along, you know, they're out there playing and stuff, you can keep an eye on them while you're inside sipping on your morning coffee. Down below the entertainment center, you've got your electric heater fireplace. This baby will save you a ton of propane, really takes the chill off of in the mornings or the evenings here in the main living area. This is gonna be your IRV Technologies stereo, Bluetooth capable. It's also a CD player. And then you've got your really big, nice flat screen above that. But wait, there's more. They did a great job of utilizing the space behind that TV for extra storage. Also makes it super easy to get to all your cable connections and everything here on the main TV. So that kind of wraps up our tour on the inside of the 8329 SB. We'll meet you back outside here at Castle Country RV in Helper. Thanks for spending some time with me here in Helper, Utah at Castle Country RV. My name is Ryan Specht. If you have any questions about the Rockwood line of campers or this particular 8329 SB, don't hesitate to give us a call. Shoot me an email, ryans@castlecountryRV.com. you.